This is how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So if you've tried this, you may have noticed that there's a bug where the option doesn't show up. So I'll show you how to fix the bug and then make it work. First open Facebook and come to your profile page. Then come to the post where you want to turn off comments. So I'll take this post as an example. And to turn off comments, if I click on the three dots, you can see the option isn't here. All we have to do is first make the post public. So select Edit Privacy. Then select Public and click on Save. Once this is done, go back up and refresh the page. Now you can see the post is public. And if I click on the three dots, this option has come. Who can comment on your post? So select it. So these are all the options. Select whichever option you want. And if you want to turn it off, select Profiles and Pages you mention and click on Done. And then you can again change the privacy of the post. Click on the three dots, select Edit Privacy, then select Friends and click on Save. And it's done. Comments have been turned off for this post. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.